What's going on, guys? Stickers and Tokens here, back with another video. I'm talking about one of my favorite stocks today, guys, is Tesla. Ooh, yeah, let's talk about Tesla. They had their earnings today. I don't know if you guys seen it or not, but they had their earnings today. And it was okay. They had their earnings was up, actually. Earnings per share was up $1.05 versus 99 cents expected. Revenue came in at $21.45 billion versus 21.96. Very, very slight miss. I mean, the tiniest of tiniest misses. I mean that's I'd be willing to call that a rounding error. But if you'd seen the Tesla charts today, you'd see that it plummeted off of it. You can see right here at the earnings call, it went from 228 down to 217. It lost $10. Just woof, like that, just gone. Man, over just the slightest of revenue misses, man. That's how you know we're in a bear market. People are just selling this stock like it ain't worth nothing just because of that. That's it. And it's crazy, man. So yeah, Tesla missed earnings, but I want to tell you guys just not to panic about it because Tesla ain't going nowhere. They mentioned that Elon Musk is still planning on buying out Twitter. They said they were going to do the original deal of $54 billion, or I believe it was that. Was put the share price at like 54.20 or something like that. Haha, 420. They somewhat teased a buyback. They were teasing. They talked about how they were planning maybe next year they're going to do what they call a meaningful buyback, hopefully between $5 and $10 billion worth of stock. I mean, come on, they're going to buy their stock, dude. Especially if it keeps. To me, that sounds like they're actually planning on it for continue crashing for a little while, which I also do think it probably will continue to go down the rest of the year into next year as well. Because if they keep slight misses on revenue and you got consumer demand just dropping like a rock like it is right now, just nothing. I think you will see people just people will, like, retail loves this stock. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're going to keep wanting to pick up this stock. It's not going to just plummet to nothing. I don't want to let that happen because I love this stock too. But they're saying they want to do a buyback next year. I think they're waiting for all the pain to be priced into the stock, and then they're going to do a big gold buyback. So be prepared for the stock to go down short term. Just about every stock's will go down short term, for being honest. But just keep in mind that that's what's likely to happen. They're saying, let's see, what else we got here. North America's in pretty good health, although the Fed is raising interest rates more than they should. I think they'll eventually realize that and bring them down again. Yeah, that's what I've been saying pretty much all year. Oh, this is one thing I forgot to mention I wanted to talk about. That he said optimistically, Elon said he's of the opinion that they can exceed Apple's current market cap. In fact, they see the potential path for Tesla to be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, which is what's that, like a $5 trillion market cap? No, man, I don't even know how much of an X that is. What is Tesla's market cap right now? Let's call it 700 billion. So for them to get to 5, they'd have to just about 7x from where they are right now. Turn it back into another $1,400 stock. I'm about to really blow your mind. I think they can actually do that more than that in the next decade. I think they'll double that. I can easily see this being a $7, $8, $9, $10 trillion stock in the next 10 years. I mean, their EV business. I mean, it's EV business. It's just the best in the world. It's the biggest brand, the leader in the industry by far. I mean, they do electric vehicles, they do batteries, they do solar panels. They're playing around with robots and stuff now. They got their self-driving cars, and they got these electric commercial fleets and stuff, man. Those are going to be self-driving too. They're going to just revolutionize everybody's workplace, man. And they're doing that now. They're doing that right now. Never mind 10 years from now. You won't even be able to recognize the stuff they're doing 10 years from now. It'll feel like something out of a sci-fi movie. The same way that what they're doing today felt like something out of a sci-fi movie, 10, 15 years ago. It's just mind-blowing. I'm ready to see what their the robots they got going on. Like, have you seen their AI day the other day? They announced their Optimus robot, and I think the Bumblebee one as well. It's basically just like a humanoid type robot that can do tasks around like the house. Think of it like a Roomba, but instead of cleaning your house, it actually do other things, other more important things than just cleaning your house. But yeah, this is my opinion. Oh, by the way, I am a shareholder of Tesla. I'm actually looking to buy some more tomorrow. If we hit this 52-week low, I'm thinking we get back to 204. I don't think it'll happen anytime soon, mind you. Short term, we will see more downside, I believe. I don't think it'll happen tomorrow. I think we got. I think the whole market's going to be on a rally here for the next month or two, going into Christmas, and it depends on how the holiday season affects inflation. If you ask me, that's something that I don't hear a lot of people really talking about. Is how Christmas and Thanksgiving, a lot of people are going to be out spending on dinners and spending on gifts for their kids and for their friends and family and yada yada yada. A lot of traveling as well. There's going to be a lot of spending in wintertime, as there always is. Never mind energy. You got all of Europe in energy crisis. We're slowly heading towards the energy crisis. I hope we don't get as bad as Europe is right now. I doubt it, but we'll see. So I think there's going to be a lot of spending this year. They're going to have. I think inflation might actually start to show a little bump towards the end of the year because of that, and hopefully, going into early next year, we might actually start to see some cracks in the inflation rate. Maybe the interest rates will slow down or start to pause for a little bit. Again, this is all speculation. Have to wait and see. But yeah, right now Tesla's trading for a PE of 80. A lot of people still say that's rich, and again, I think a more accurate thing to look at is their forward PE, which is trading like a 20 something. It might even be lower now. The forward PE takes into the fact that they are growing revenues year over year. They actually grew revenues by 50% this year, even though the market was actually expecting them to grow by 60. And like I'm just sitting here thinking, they just grew 50% in a recession. Like that to me is impressive. Like I don't know what y'all think, but if Tesla came out in 2008 and said, "Oh no, yeah, we are delivering 50% more cars this year than we were last year," everybody'd be like, "Huh? What? How the fuck?" Sorry, I didn't mean to drop the F word, but yeah, here it is. You heard it. Seriously though, you'd be like, "How? How in the world did y'all manage to do that?" And that's what I thought out of this. Like they're still growing, but you see a lot of people just with a short term mindset on this stock, and it just gets to me sometimes because people just don't seem to know how to invest anymore. You just had so many new people get into the market in these past 2 years, and they're brand new to the stock. They just don't get it. They don't get it. Let's see if we can find more information. Yeah, I know I brought this up already, but he talked about Twitter. He thinks the long-term potential for Twitter is an order of magnitude greater than its current value. All right, big dog. I'm gonna have to hit you to disagree on that one, dude. Like social media has come and go, and I think you've been better off just starting your own if you really felt like that. Like, you really think the opportunity is there? Why would you buy Twitter and not just try to make your own? I mean, you were complaining about the bots on the Twitter for a while. They didn't disclose it, and now all of a sudden you're like, "Oh no, yeah, Twitter's actually a good deal. I'm willing to overpay for it." It's write it off as a goodwill impairment. When I do my taxes. One interesting thing to note too, though, people are expecting that he's going to have to sell Tesla stock to pay for the Twitter deal. Yeah, that's most likely what's going to happen. So if you see like a massive drop in Tesla, you that might be what it was. But they also still have a sizable position in Bitcoin. I just seen this article a few minutes ago that they reported that they still have 218 million worth of digital assets. So I think this would also include Dogecoin. But based on current prices, estimated that Tesla holds around 9,700 BTC. Damn. If Tesla though, okay. They put out all these this FUD last year. I remember they were like, "Oh, we don't want to do Bitcoin because it's not clean," and I can make a video just on that alone. Like, that really irks me when people are just like, "Oh, Bitcoin is this, that, and bad, 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 bad." All right, I'm not going to talk too much about Bitcoin. I can make a whole video just about the whole clean energy argument. But no, I think they sold 75% of it last year, or no, during the quarter. My bad. Adding 936 million in cash to books and recording 664 million, profit from the sale. Yeah, and how much they're paying that in taxes too. I mean, that's gonna be a lot of taxes. Might as well just go ahead and give half of that to the government. That's what they're going to take. So, not financial advice. But yeah, this is what I want to know. I want to know about Dogecoin. Is they still, say that $1,000, around 60 at the time. Yeah, I don't know how much Doge he's holding, if he's even holding any at all. Yeah, if you know Elon, you know that man loves Doge, man. That man is a dog to the heart, man. Anyway, I remember a lot of people were excited about him possibly getting into Shiba Inu, but we never seen that quite happen. So yeah, more than Dogecoin pumped it up to that 75-cent high back in May 2021 during the whole SNL thing going on. And yeah, we don't. I don't think we'll see that anytime soon again. Dogecoin can get it back up there though. It's just not gonna happen tomorrow. No, we'll see. Yeah, that's about all I really want to talk about today, guys. But as far as Tesla news goes, I mean, this for me, this stock's an easy buy. I don't care if I wanted at 200. I want it below 200. Matter of fact, I think it would actually come back down to. Let me pull up the chart here. I'm thinking that we can get it back down to. Where's that 2020? We might, if we're lucky, guys, we might be able to pick it up at like 150, 140 or so. I ain't gonna say it's gonna go down there. There's a possibility. It could go down there, and if we get down to that territory, I'll be buying so much of this stock, man. It'll make your head spin. Not financial advice. Do what you want, but this is a generational wealth play, no doubt about it. Yeah, if we can get this PE back down to say the 50 range, 40 range, get it right in line with Amazon, knowing full well that this is a higher growth play than even Amazon, which I like Amazon too. Got plenty of. Get to that same PE ratio as Amazon. Oh yeah, oh man, that's gonna be a huge money machine in the future, man. You want to talk about this 864% in 5 years? Yeah, I think we could get it down there. Yeah, you're gonna do that again, pretty much, if not more. But again, my opinion, not financial advice. Well, I'll have to wait and see. But yeah, guys, that's the Tesla news today. Stock was just it popped down after earnings and then it bounced back up in the after hours. So retail came and bought the dip. I'm gonna be if I see it come back down in the next couple of days, might buy some as well. We'll have to wait and see. I wish I would have on the earnings, but I wasn't paying attention to it. I was at work at the time. But that's about all I got for you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and leave down in the comments if you want to hear me talk about any other stock or ticker or token that you care about out there, because I'm all about them tickers and tokens out here. All right, guys. This is Tickers and Tokens signing off. Hope y'all have a good one.